Observation of orangutan utilizing medicinal plants for self-treatment, a human-like behavior displayed. Researchers observed an orangutan named Rakus treating his wounds with medicinal plants, displaying behavior reminiscent of humans. Rakus resides in Gunung Leuser National Park in South Aceh, Indonesia, where scientists from the Institute of Animal Behavior meticulously study animals like him, documenting their activities every 2 minutes. A team of researchers, led by evolutionary biologist Caroline Schuppli and cognitive biologist Isabelle Laumer, were observing Rakus when they noticed a deep facial wound. They speculate that it resulted from a confrontation with another male during a long call battle, where adult male orangutans vocalize to attract females and assert territorial dominance. Sometimes, these vocalizations attract rival males, leading to physical altercations. The research team heard a series of long calls before spotting Rakus' wound, leading them to believe he was involved in a fight with another male. However, what they observed Rakus do over the next few days was extraordinary. They documented their findings in the peer-reviewed journal Nature this week. 3 days after sustaining the injury, Rakus began consuming a species of liana called Orangutan, a potent medicinal plant not typically part of an orangutan's diet. The researchers observed him chewing the leaves and then applying them to his wound with his finger. This was, to our knowledge, the first instance of a wild animal applying a potent healing plant to his own wounds, Laumer stated. Self-medication is a seldom observed behavior in animals. While scientists have documented instances of animals self-medicating before, such as chimpanzees in Gabon using insects on their wounds, the efficacy of these treatments remains uncertain. According to Laumer, it's unclear whether these insects possess medicinal properties, leaving doubt about the intentional nature of the behavior. What sets Rakus apart is the deliberate nature of his self-medication. He deliberately chose a plant rarely consumed by his species and applied its mashed-up leaves directly to his wound. Additionally, he spent a significant amount of time sleeping, a behavior known to aid in wound healing. Moreover, Rakus's treatment yielded positive results, with his wound healing rapidly within 4 days and showing no signs of infection. The combination of these factors strongly suggests that Rakus's behavior was a deliberate act of self-medication. Such occurrences are exceedingly rare in the wild and typically involve ancient, highly evolved species, making them challenging for researchers to observe. Was Rakus's action a serendipitous discovery or a learned behavior? Laumer suggested that if Rakus indeed intentionally applied the medication to his wound, the question arises, how did he acquire this knowledge? While there is no definitive answer, Laumer proposed a couple of plausible explanations. One possibility is individual innovation, where an animal invents a new behavior spontaneously. In this scenario, Rakus might have accidentally touched his finger, covered in mashed leaves, to his wound and experienced the pain-relieving effects of the plant. This positive outcome could have motivated him to repeat the action. Alternatively, Rakus's behavior could be a result of social learning, a trait observed in orangutans. Juvenile orangutans often closely observe their mothers and other group members, mimicking their actions to learn survival skills. Therefore, it's conceivable that Rakus learned this behavior from another orangutan. However, since this behavior is unprecedented among orangutans, scientists cannot definitively determine its origin or mechanism. Rakus's behavior draws parallels to our own use of medicinal plants, offering insights into the evolution of medicinal treatment. Given that our earliest shared ancestor with orangutans lived over 10 million years ago, this behavior may have ancient roots. Laumer emphasized the striking similarities between humans and orangutans, underscoring the need to protect these incredibly intelligent animals. We hope you found today's episode informative and engaging, and we look forward to bringing you more fascinating stories and insights in future episodes. Be sure to subscribe to stay updated and join us for our upcoming episodes. Thank you once again for being part of our community. Until next time, stay curious, stay inspired, and we can't wait to reconnect with you in the next episode.